Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. We're doing an experiment today. Yeah. So here's my idea. I'm making an edible lemon cake bowl. We're gonna fill it with lemon whipped cream and diced strawberries. And we're gonna just top it with a lemon whipped cream and garnish it with a strawberry. How does that sound? Sounds good to me. So stick around. For today's recipe, I'm using my Brownie Bowl Pan that I got from King Arthur Baking Company. I'll leave a link to this pan in the description below. You may remember, if you follow my channel, a while back I made brownie bowls filled with a peanut butter mousse, which were delicious. So I'm going to leave a link to that recipe as well. But I thought, if I can put brownies in this, why not cake batter as well? So here we go. For today's recipe, I'm using my basic yellow cake recipe, which I love, and I'll leave a link to that in the description below. But to that, I'm going to be adding the 1/3 cup of lemon juice and a tablespoon of lemon zest. So I think what I want to do is I want to fill these up about halfway with batter. So that's probably going to be about 2 scoops of cake batter each. We'll see. So let's just smooth these out and see where we are. Yeah, I think this may be enough. We're going to bake these at 350 for 25 minutes. So I have a 16-ounce container of strawberries, and my plan is to cut these somewhat small because I'm going to be mixing them in with the lemon whipped cream. So I don't want them in big chunks. So let's make our lemon whipped cream. I have 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have soft peaks forming, so now I'm going to pour in my sugar. Here is my lemon zest, which I'm going to add. And I'm going to put this on stir as I add in my lemon juice. Do not want this to curdle. All right, we're looking good. Looking good so far. Now I'm going to turn up the speed. Well, full transparency. These two came out pretty good. This one, okay. This one, eh. These two here, they kind of stuck. But here's the thing. I can try and cover this up with the whipped cream. See how that goes. So what I want to do is I want to take about half of these strawberries out of this bowl. And I want to take about half of this lemon whipped cream that we made and put that in here and mix these around with the strawberries, because this is what we're going to put inside our lemon cake bowls. Okay, here we go. All right, maybe there's hope. All right, let's level these out. All right, let's pipe on some of this whipped cream on the top. Okay. This is looking okay. So what I'm doing here is I've cut some strawberries in half, and I'm going to be fanning them, making little slits, little indentations here. I already did one, so it kind of looks like that. Very nice and pretty. And we're going to put those on our dessert cups here. Okay, so now we're just going to take our strawberries, put it on like that. Look how pretty that looks. Fan it out. All right, I'm feeling much better about this dessert now. Now let's cut into one of these and see if my experiment was successful or a flop. Okay, here we go. Just gonna cut right down the center. Nice and moist. Let's open it up. Wow. All right. I think it was successful. All right, now before I say that this was successful, let's try it first. I'm gonna get some of the whipped cream and the strawberry and some of the cake. All right. The cake is very lemony, which is wonderful. And there's a subtle hint of the lemon in the whipped cream, and then the strawberries just add this freshness to it. It is so good. I am so excited that this worked out. Well, thanks everybody for coming along and joining me as I did my little experiment today on our, I don't even know what to call them, our strawberry lemon cake cups. And I'm gonna leave complete instructions in the description below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.